In this video, guys, I think I might have found a gem, and this is Doland Tronmp, and this is Doland Tronmp, obviously a Donald Trump meme on the Tron network. Not only that, we're also going to be checking out Tron Crash and a couple of more memes, and then for the rest of the day I'm going to be focusing on Solana as well as Base. We've got to give some love also to the Solana and Base network. But anyway, guys, without further ado, you know what's time to? It's time to strap onto your boots, put on your rocket helmet, so let's get into the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So let's dive straight in. Alright guys, so kicking off the show with the Doland Tronmp on Tron. It's called Doland Tronmp. I've butchered that really badly, but who cares, guys, because we could be getting ourselves into a potentially an exceptionally tiny meme that could quite easily explode 10x here to $110,000. We might even see a 100x once we see a $1 million market cap for this meme. It is simply doable. I had actually put in like $100 just right on this line right up here, because potentially we could still see a really high, well, not really high compared to the most other memes, but we could still see the market cap go at least $500,000 for Doland Tronmp. Oh, okay, I'm gonna stop butchering the name. Let's say Doland Tronmp, a variation on the Tron network. And if we see 10x away from here, it will put the market cap at $111,000, and then 100x at 1.1 million. Guys, it's extremely doable. What if we get even more, or much more above the $1.1 million market cap? Then guys, potentially we could all be in more than 100x return for this meme. Either way, I'm quite bullish for the short term, but remember guys, this is not financial advice. Please do your own research, and most importantly, just only trade with what you can afford to lose, because we could see a greater risk with memes like this, but equally we could also see a greater reward. But you only just need to trade with a minimal amount which you are comfortable in losing, because potentially we could lose it all on this meme. So guys, what do you reckon? Do you reckon it's actually worth trading this Doland Tronmp variation of on the Tron network? If so, you let me know in the comments. But anyway, let's swiftly move over to the next meme, and that is going to be Sun Crash. I reckon Sun Crash could continue still go up, because the market cap is actually $1.32 million market cap. The liquidity is still quite decent. We are seeing a lot of transactions coming through now as well. So potentially, guys, we could see an easy 10x away from here, because the market cap would only need to get to 13 million for us to see that 10x. We are up on a day of 1,502% for the past 24 hours. Bear in mind, this is the hourly charts, because I reckon we could see some crazy short-term run to the upside. But it's really important, guys, to take profit where you can, because that will be your saving grace. If you do get into profits, take at least all of your profits, maybe leave your initial trade, because we can still potentially see more than 10x for Sun Crash. Now, why don't we quickly jump into the next one, and that is going to be Cheese. Cheese so far is at $206,000, and it looks like it is steadily, well, I was saying steadily rising, but it is actually in a still pretty decent opportunity to get in, because if we come back down into this level, we could still see a decent run to the upside. Because let's say if we do come back here, and even if we take profits from the last all-time highs right up here, from this move from down here to there, then we could be expecting 252% move to the upside. Now, what would a 10x look like if we were to get in now, for instance, and if we were to hold just for a 10x move, Yeah, look at that, guys. It doesn't take much for us to see a 10x move to the upside, just right up here. Yep, look at that. This is extremely doable, actually. The market cap, yep, it's fluctuating. It's heading back down a little bit, but I'm not too bothered about that. If you don't mind losing some cash, but I don't know. Yeah, I reckon it's worth it, because everything's still tiny actually when it comes down to a lot of these spaces. But guys, please bear in mind, when you go on to DECCTOOL, the one tip I can give you is to look at the hot pairs, and whilst you go through these pairs right over here, then you can find memes like cheese, for example, as well as sun crash, bull, or rock. Go into the charts, have a look at the structure of the chart, then take a look at the market cap, and you assess for yourself whether you think it is worth getting in, because we can still see quite a few of these memes go more than 10, 20, 30, even in some cases 100x, but these would be an extremely short-term trade. So what would I do in this situation? Can we speak there for a second? What I would do, I would literally, I'm not sure if we pull back all the way, I would add some here, then I will use the remaining of the money for this trade down here, because I can see one, we can most definitely make, I reckon, 10x. However, we can still make a quick trade getting in and out, because like I said, guys, from here to right about here, you could still make 248% move to the upside if you drop back down here. And if you use to enter now, we can still make it more than 1x per trade at a time. Let's measure from the wick. Yep, 97, even higher. Guys, I'll let you decide what you want to do, but if you come down here, I'll go all ham, because potentially we could see a quick easy 1x. But if I do enter down here, I'm going to be holding for that 10x move, or actually be a lot more than 10x. I'll be holding for that. Flipping hell. Yep. That's yeah, not a 10x. Look at that. That is a 40x move, guys. Whew. That is a 40x move from all the way down here. So, yep, guys, time sensitive. I'm going to keep this video nice and short. Either way, guys, what do you reckon? Do you reckon the donut variation of the meme could go up to 1.1 million or above? Or do you reckon this cheese token on the Tron network could see a nice 40x return on your trade? Alright, guys, it's time for me to flip to Solana in my next video. Just thought I should keep you, or at least in a loop or aware on the Tron network memes. Either way, guys, if you'd like to learn how to trade like myself, or to scalp for these quick and easy trade, head over to my membership right over here. Subscribe. It costs less than a coffee, and you can use a lovely trade like this to be able to afford to pay for my $5 per month membership, in order for you to see some significant trades and profit. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for tuning in. I hope you do enjoy this video. Give me a like, subscribe, hit the bell notifications, and I'll see you all in the next one.